People often wonder, why am I out here doing this? Well, that's because we shine a light on the real fucking criminals of the motherfucking world. The police department, the justice system, all the wrongs being done to our brothers and sisters, Sexocratic, the political party of the future. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some hunting. So, call out them motherfucking criminals, baby. Get it? Got it? Good. Oh yeah. Because, we're doing it. We're doing it. Oh yeah. Cause you know, Daddy's gonna shout with his motherfucking lungs out, live from the greatest motherfucking country of them all. He's Islamabad, Lahore, Pakistan, snowing outside 25 degrees, but you know, they rape, burn, chop, up, William Maureen. So whack, whack, thank you, ma'am. We outside liberate our brothers and sisters from the shackles that bind them. Deborah, you know I love nothing but it. I'm staying by nothing on this hip because I'm feeling romantic and I wanna do some bam, bam. Barbara, that's for you sexy hair fox motherfucker. Nom nom, nom nom. Yes indeed. Ooh, we should see that action. We gonna get wicked. Cause we calling out all the real criminals in the world. Just back to you. Baby, Jack Kelly, the greatest Sexocrat, Rick Park, all the people. Yes, indeed, no matter the weather. Maria, love you, Sammy Sargentani. You know I appreciate it. We get out there, and we dance, and we laugh, and we prance. Wow! Cause Jackie Boy has no fear, even though I walk through the valley of shadow of dark. I fear no man, cause I got the best friends, man could ever ask. That's why I know motherfucking criminals, baby. Because we are the revolution of fun, romance, passion that has just begun. So shake that soul bitch up for all my brothers and sisters. Because you know what the next video entails. Oh yeah, the revolution. Jack Steller, President 2024.